So I know y'all didn't think I came at you guys and showed you my pedicure and was just gonna leave my manicure out. Oh, no, no, no. So if you would like to see how I do my manicure, plus I follow 2 tips from Jackie Aina. So if you would like to see that, then please continue to watch.
Even if it hurts, even if it's just for today, I know you're just here for good fun.
So of course you're going to need a bowl of water, warm water, and I use the same soap that I use for my feet, and then I use the hemp oil, and I just put it in my warm water and I put my hands in there and I just bask in the glow of the warm water. And so y'all see how I brought my hand out, and that's because I'm a busybody. I'm just gonna be honest. If y'all don't know that, I'm a bit of a busybody and I just do stuff randomly sometimes. But at any rate, because I still have a little bit left from when I was getting my nails done at the shop before we got shut down, and normally my nails grow way quicker, so I don't know why I still had that little bit left, but it's almost gone now. I'm cutting my nails because that part is thin, so I do cut my nails when I do my manicure. And once I get all of that, the rest of that little bit from when I went to the nail shop, then I'll stop clipping my nails before I put the press-ons on my nails. And then, of course, once you do that, you got to go and get off anything that's on your nails. I had some polish because I was trying to see what color polish I wanted to use, but I also had some clear polish, some clear nail hardener on my nails that I had to get off.
It's begun, but don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination.
And once I do that, I go ahead and I put my nails back in the water, or put my hands. I can't put my nails in there without my hands. But I put my hands back in the water. And then once I do that, I go ahead and I push my cuticles back. And I don't know why I push my cuticles back before I put the cuticle remover on them. That's just the way I do it. Some people may do it another way, but I like to push them back, and then I'll put the cuticle remover on there. And then once I put the cuticle remover on there, I'll take the actual cuticle remover tool and I'll go around my nails to get any dead cuticle or any hangnail or anything that's around my nail bed.
You'll be gone in the morning, goodbye. But my one final wish is tonight, just for tonight. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be? Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love.
Now, so before, when I used to do my press-on nails, I would just file my nail and make it a little rough, make the surface rough, and then wipe it off with alcohol, and then I would put my nails on. But when I was watching Jackie's trick for doing her nails to keep her nails for 2 weeks, she put nail hardener on, putting on her nails. So I decided to try her tip, and I put nail hardener on before I put the nails on. And then I go ahead and I let the nail hardener dry, because she said to make sure the nail hardener is dry before you place the nails on your fingers. Now, I thought I was going to put on these nails that I got in a Walmart beauty box, but please take note and look at these very, very well. These are paper. This is not a nail. Once again, do not buy this if you see it in a store. So I reverted back to my nails that I purchased from Amazon, and I already have them set out to my hands. So I have them laid out, and then here I go again, and I'm not necessarily pushing the cuticle back, but whenever you put nail polish on, and I'm not a perfect nail polisher, so I had to just kind of push my cuticle back to separate the nail bed from the polish, if that makes sense. I don't know. But I was showing you guys these two glues because the one on the right, I paid $3 and something for, and the one on the left, the one that I actually use, came with some nails that I bought before. And it's better than the one I paid $3 and something for.
I know of you myself, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love.
So as you all can see, I'm not perfect with doing this. There are moments where I had glue that was running. I had to take alcohol and wipe the glue. There were times when my finger was sticking to the nail because of the glue. I'm not an expert at this, but when I finish, the finished product does look nice to me. Another tip that I did use of Jackie Aina's that I was not using before is putting the thumbnails on last. She said to put the thumbnails on last, and so that's what I did. I put my thumbnails on last. Did it make a difference with putting the nails on? I think it did, just a little bit. I mean, it wasn't something that was like, okay, I should have went ahead and did it my normal way, but it was cool because you did get to have more flexibility with not having the thumb on first. So the thumbnails were the last ones I did put on. So here I cut the nails to the length that I want because the nails as they come, while they're not really long, I'm not one for long nails like that. Even with my natural nails, when they do grow, I don't ever let them get that long. Most of the time they break off on their own. But anyway, so after I finish cutting them, I go ahead and I shape them and file them. And then I take some alcohol and I wipe off the residual because you can't polish your nails with that extra residual on there. So once I get all that off, then I go in and I polish my nails. And I always polish them with 2 coats of the color polish and 1 coat of a clear top coat. Now, the question that I'm sure you all want the answer to is, do these nails last 2 weeks? As people say, I'm not just going to say Jackie Aina because she says, I've seen her video where she said 2 weeks, and I've seen other people's videos where they say 2 weeks. But for me, it didn't work for 2 weeks. I got a week and a few days out of it. And a couple of times I had to take a couple of the nails and glue them back on. Now, why I think I didn't get 2 weeks? First of all, I cook about 5 days a week, which means my hands are in a lot of water. So I have to deal with that. And then of course, y'all know we wash our hands a lot anyway. And so for me, with cooking, I could put gloves on and all that. And I'm not saying Jackie and anybody else doesn't cook, but for me, I'm submerging my hands in a lot of water. So I don't get 2 weeks. I didn't get 2 weeks out of this set, and I've never gotten 2 weeks out of a set. But maybe one day I'll get to that point. So anyway, as always, I thank you guys and I appreciate you so much for checking out another video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.
Imagine